G'day folks, welcome to the video. Well, as the title says, this is going to be the complete build of the Bushcraft treehouse you see behind me there, that one up there. Those that follow the channel will know that I've already done the videos on the making of the treehouse. I think it was 4 parts and they were half an hour each. So I thought I'd condense those down into something that's a bit more viewer friendly, so you can get through the whole build in a short video. So that's what this video is going to be. At the end of the builds that I did, the four parts of the building of the treehouse, I did an overnight in the treehouse, and I had a bit of an incident with the bed. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll do a recap of that at the end of this video. I'll cut to a clip of it. But I think I've resolved the issue with the bed, and I'll try that out at the end of this video, but I haven't tried it as yet, so I'm just hoping it's going to work. But anyway, that'll be at the end of this video. For now, sit back and enjoy it. Thanks guys. Alright, well, this is my bed for tonight. I'm here in the treehouse I built. This is going to be the first overnight here, and I can tell you right now it's not going to be a comfortable one because I'm sitting on the floor while I'm sitting in the bed. Oh. Well, I'm going to chalk that up as a win. I'm not on the ground. It may stretch a bit and I have to tighten it up over time, but yeah, that's oh yeah, it's pretty comfy. That's how I envisioned it the first time when I did the overnight, but it just didn't quite work out. Alright guys, well, that's going to bring us to the end of the video. Thanks for hanging in there and watching it all. If you've liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it on your social media, help me promote the channel. Get a few more views, it'd be awesome. If you saw something in the video you wanted to see more of, or a bit more in depth of, as I said, this video I'm trying to condense it down, keep it as short as possible, so I've had to skip through a fair bit. But the 4 build videos of the treehouse, like half an hour each, they're still on the playlist, so you can check them out and see things in more detail and go into explaining a few things. And while you're there, check out the other videos as well. If you haven't seen them all, or if you're only new to the channel, I've done quite a few things there. I'm trying not to be like every other bushcrafter. I'm trying to do different things. So the shelters I'm building, I'm trying to do them a little bit different than just your normal shelters. Just to be to be different. I mean, I still watch all those other videos of other people doing the bushcraft things, and I still do them myself. I don't film them. There's so many of them online. So I'm trying to do things a little bit different and mix it up a bit. Alright, well, I'm gonna chill out here for a little bit, and I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my day. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time. Catches.